One of the things that's enriched my life so much as well is becoming a part of the surrogacy community. I had no idea that there was such a supportive and vibrant group, completely aside from surrogacy. I have friends that I've made through the surrogacy community who have counseled me about everything from parenting my own children to giving me advice about work and about my marriage and about just about everything. Amazing ladies to spend time with and to get to know and to bond with.
We want to make sure that when you walk away from this journey that you are totally supported, that this just isn't about this 9 months of your life, that it is beyond, that you walk away with women around you who have walked this journey and who can say, we did this together, we are proud to be surrogates, and we have this sisterhood, this tribe of women behind us.
This is a sisterhood, and that this is an amazing experience that they will embark upon and care for and support these women during the valleys of this process.